We've all faced setbacks, whether it's a failed goal, a missed opportunity, or a moment where life didn't go as planned. These moments can shake our confidence, making us question our worth and abilities. But here's the truth. Setbacks don't define you. They're stepping stones to growth and resilience. Today, I'll share how to rebuild your confidence after setbacks and step into your full potential. If you're ready to rise stronger and more confident than ever, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Setbacks can leave us feeling defeated, but they're a natural part of life's journey. Every successful person you admire has faced obstacles. It's how they overcame them that made them stronger. Setbacks are not failures. They're opportunities to learn, grow, and pivot towards something greater. You're not alone. Remember, setbacks happen to everyone. You're not defined by this moment. Your story doesn't end here. This is the beginning of a new chapter. Rebuilding confidence takes intentional steps. Let's explore how you can start regaining your self-belief today. Step 1. Reflect on your strengths. Write down 3 things you're good at or proud of. These are reminders of your abilities and potential. Step 2. Reframe the setback. Instead of seeing it as a failure, view it as feedback. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? Step 3. Celebrate small wins. Confidence grows through action. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate each success, no matter how small. Step 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Positive energy is contagious. Step 5. Practice daily affirmations. Speak words of encouragement to yourself. For example, I am capable of overcoming challenges. My confidence grows stronger each day. Let's speak affirmations that rebuild our self-belief and ignite our confidence. I am worthy of success and happiness. Each day, I become more confident and capable. Setbacks are stepping stones to my success. I trust my ability to overcome challenges. My confidence is unshakable. Let's end with a visualization exercise to help you feel more confident and ready to take on life. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Let go of any tension in your body. Picture yourself standing tall, radiating confidence and strength. Imagine yourself succeeding at something you've been working toward. Notice the sense of pride and accomplishment. Let it grow and fill your entire being. Repeat to yourself, I am confident, I am capable, I am unstoppable. When you're ready, open your eyes and step into your day with renewed confidence. Confidence isn't something you lose forever. It's something you rebuild, one step at a time. By reflecting on your strengths, celebrating small wins, and speaking affirmations, you can rise stronger than ever. Setbacks don't define you, they refine you. Keep moving forward and trust in your ability to achieve greatness. If this video inspired you, share it with someone who might need a confidence boost. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next video in this series, where we'll explore letting go of fear and embracing courage.